Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete a form in Typeform. So first of all, we have to log in into our account, and yeah, it's one of the easiest ways how you can how to affect your Typeform account. So we are at our workspace, and we see we have these 3 forms that I created just for this reason. So let's go with the test one. And here is actually tons of options, and it's really mishy-mashy. So go back to Workspace, and there are these 3 dots at the start. And once you click on these 3 dots, you have options, and the last one is to delete. Once we hit the delete option, you're about to delete the test. It will be gone forever, and we won't be able to recover it. So there is no archive, remember that. And click yes, delete it. And it's Audi. And it's deleted. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.